Hello guys, welcome to the Money Farming YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're gonna be continuing our quest to building the, converting this trading view indicator um, into Python indicator. Okay, so this is my trading view indicator. Not this one. Well, where is it? I think it's this one. Yeah. So this indicator. Okay. So what I was explaining on the last video um, is that so this is standard stochastic. Okay, look at the last video. Okay, you'll understand what I just said. So we actually moved on to you know to this part. So now we're gonna take the help of ChatGPT. So I'm gonna take the logic here only, go to the ChatGPT and say, hey ChatGPT, uh, act like as if you are trading GPT. So trading GPT has the knowledge of over 20 years in trading, in algorithmic trading, especially with script and Python, um, for developing screener and strategies and indicators for the crypto trading market. Here's the script I have now. Convert it to Python code using pandas TA library and mplfinance for plotting the indicators. So I paste the code and check this out. The magic of 21st century. See, it says, why are we using it? Certainly, let's convert your script into Python. So what I did there back now is like it's called prompt engineering. Okay, with which you get good results. Um, so what it says, all right, step by step, initialize variables, input setup parameters for standard deviation period, smooth parameters for k and d. Okay, calculate standard deviation first, get the EMA, then standard deviation of EMA, and then highest and lowest standard deviation values or specified period. Normalize the standard deviation, create a function determines, okay, normalize standard deviation, and then finally calculate stochastic values, calculate the highest and lowest values using the smooth average value. Okay, so smooth average formula. Okay, now I think it wrote all the code, to be honest. Yeah, let's see and run the code. All right, I'm activating my environment. Got the access there. Where's my chat window? All right, here we go. Nice, bit slow, isn't it? User data. I can't even go there. What is going on? Why is it slow? We're in. So let's go there and do create new file, developing new indicator. Stdiv adjusted stochastic. Okay, so let's get that. It's just we need the data only. Let's get the data. Okay. Import pandas spd. Get that data. What? Are you kidding me? Yeah, it's the same path, man. Same as this. What? We did not red feather. Data futures. Ah, come on, man. What is this path? Is there something in there? Let's see, os dot import os dot list directory. No such file or directory. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna go from here then. cd okay. But I'm actually I'm gonna go one step back, go to the BTC star short, user data, Binance, futures. Yep, so this is the data. Till this point. So we got the what? Yeah. So we got the data. And then, so say data equals to df dot copy. And let's see. No attribute highest. Okay. PDTA dot what maximum. Nope. So we gotta go back and let's first give it the error. Okay. Now it will go and see what it can do. It looks like I incorrectly reference function that don't exist in pandas TA library for the calculations. We need to adjust the approach using correct pandas methods. Let's revise the code using correct syntax. All right. Let's see. Yep, this is correct code using pandas code. Yeah, it's good. Let's see it. Cannot convert float NA to integer. Here, this calculation. So let's get it. So we are applying this 3 if get x 3 if we do this is 0, else return the value of that. So the value of that, if I suppose get period 300 499 20 this, so it's gonna return it when it's gonna be 0 though, when the value of x gonna be negative. But what is an stdiv? When sdiv and no data yo. So this is the value of standard deviation and we are applying, so we are getting this, right? We are already getting this. No. Okay, so we have a problem over here. No, this one. So what it's doing, it's actually like the every value you have in end, you know, see, this is the problem. You have nan right here. So what you can do is like you can do bfill in place true, and now when we do this it will happen now, see, right? So that's what we have to do there for that one. So what I'm gonna do here, okay, data and bfill in place true. So I do that, and here we okay, hang on, there's a lot of plot there. Okay, so we stopped. I'm gonna plot only for data x data less than 300, like that. Must have the same first dimensions but have shapes like this. Wait, what? Data this, okay. Data minus 300 is only 300. So what is the problem here? I don't understand. Hmm. Minus 5,000. XY must have same first dimension. This. I think it's messing up something. Ah, this one. So we got it. Right, volume is false right now. Volume, make it false. Yeah. So we got it. Now let's do it my way. $25, $10. So we got that. So see, I mean, in this case, ChatGPT really helped us. Okay, we hadn't had to write a single code. So now we have to just check it. See, yes. See, the cap limit is around 80. You know, even 100. I don't know. I mean, it's just that like it's around like 100. The cap limit is from 0 to 100. Still, it's like it's the smooth version of standard deviation with this smooth version of stochastic with standard deviation adjusted. So what it's doing now I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to what it's doing and why, what's the purpose, how can we use it. Not tell me ChatGPT. Um, why are we calculating this smooth um, stochastic is there what are the what advantage, what different advantage it's gonna give to us. So see, now it's saying the smooth stochastic indicator is a modification of the classic stochastic oscillator, which is a momentum indicator that compares a particular closing price of a security to a range of its prices over a certain period of time. The purpose of using a smooth stochastic is to enhance the original stochastic oscillator by smoothing out its values, which helps in reducing volatility, which is very important, and noise in the indicator's reading. Yeah, there's like a lot of noise in the normal stochastic. Okay, so here are some key advantages and use of smooth stochastic. What it says: reduce volatility and noise by applying a moving average to percentage k line, which itself might be smooth as well, as in the case of a double smooth stochastic. See guys, when you see, it's like we are reading very simple things. No, it's we are doing signal processing. We are basically like trying to reduce the noise as much as we can. Okay, so this is what we are doing. It's like moving average to smooth things. Okay, so the resulting indicator smooth stochastics tends to have a smoother line that is less susceptible to rapid short-term fluctuations. This is very important. See right there, one your indicator. See, really good indicator. You can like get it from TradingView. I'm gonna show you how to use it as well, and or you can just like test in Python and see it in Frick Trade and apply it and see how it goes, you know, which we're going to be doing it. So reduce volatility and noise, more reliable signals. So because the smooth stochastic tends to filter out excessive noise, it signals like crossovers between the percentage K and D lines or divergence with price can be considered more reliable compared to those from a more volatile indicator. This can be particularly beneficial in avoiding false signals, which often lead to premature entry or exits. So what I'm going to show you now, it's like, see divergence here, you can see it like really good. Okay, see, so this is smooth, right? So see, you can see the divergence here. See, this indicator was making lower low while the price was making higher low, you know. See, so this is what we can do here. And you don't uh, in here in the stochastic, you can see the stochastic was making higher low while the price was also making higher low. So there was like hidden divergence that only this could find. Like just think about it for a moment, like, you know. So just really think about it. So there's like hidden divergence here. Okay. um and only um and only this can find it, not this one. So think about it. Okay. um so this actually like filters the noise a lot. Filters the noise. Yeah, bro, happy learning. Yeah, it's have you watched yesterday's video on like live streaming? I was live streaming, sorry, I mean no, I uploaded the video. Actually, I recorded it. Yeah, it was also like converting one indicator and like showing you. It was like really good trade setup on that one. If you see it, if you haven't checked it out, check it out. It's still really good. So let's generate some like signals. Okay, how do we do that? In this one, if it goes below 20, that's like considers overbought, oversold. And when it goes above 80, it considers overbought. So we are doing some crossover, like, you know, um, we can do crossover between percentage K and percentage G line below 20. So what do I mean by that now? It's like, see, check this out. Okay, so now let's get the data. So what I'm saying now is like PDTA TA dot cross value. So I gotta give it series A. Series A is like my this K and D. So K is small, D is longer. K, when K is crossed over D, above is true, then this NP is not defined. Okay, import numpy as NP and see this. So here we got a root dot s type pool. Now we got the value where they crossed. Now what I want to see is like, was the K value was less than 20 and D value was also less than 20. Let's see how many instances are there. So see, there's not a lot, so means like we reduce the noise, right? So I'm gonna get it, entering long trade, and then entering short trade, where this is gonna be greater than 80, greater than 80, and here this will be false. So meaning it's like now it's cross under. So if I see how many signals we got, entering long trade is greater than 0, entering short trade is greater than 0. So 220 signals. Now we plot it here. Okay. So I'm gonna get the plotting mechanism here. And let's get that. All right, let's see. So we haven't had, so let's go 500 back. Do we have anything? Add plot. Yeah, see. So we got the trade setups here. See, long here, short there. Here it's like try to go short, but like there was like little bit short move. Long here, boom. Long here, boom. Short here, boom. Long here, boom. So you can see that like indicator is working really good. Now let's apply it in our trading strategy. Okay, with this one only. Don't need much actually. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this, copy it, call it like 4.3, and then developing new indicator, stdiv, adjusted stochastic. Yeah. So developing new indicator, stdiv adjusted stochastic. All right, now we bring back all the analysis that we did there. So we're gonna go there and take the code that GPT has written for us. Okay, so we go there. First we gotta change the data. So do this. Okay. Wherever there is like data written in there, just wanted to replace it with df. Got it. Go there and paste it here. Okay, so got the daily pivot, full trading session, VWAP, bike of VSA, EMAs. Now we got this. So you know what, I think let's convert it in function. So I'm gonna say df get stdiv adjusted stochastic. Okay, so it takes length, which is 14, it takes d smooth, which is 3, which is, and it takes k smooth 3, and the source is close. Okay, source we only used once, right? So here. All right, So all this now can go into this. Okay. And then we return the df. Now I want to test it. So I'm going to go here, restart it again. So take it out, wherever there's source, do this, src. Okay. Source, where are you? Here. All right, so take this, and then we get this df first. Df ta is not defined. I will define the ta. So it's defined now. Okay. Now we get it df k. We got it. Okay. So this k now is like stdev adjusted stochastic k. This is stochastic d. So these are the two values that we need. Okay. So, and instead of ta, I'm gonna do pd ta. Okay, so wherever there is ta, do this. Okay, so we got that. Now let's get right import and ts pd ta. Okay, okay. The stdev adjusted stochastic d. Okay. All right. So we got that function. Let's put it to our utils. Okay. So I'm gonna put it here. And then we go to the indicator here and just call this function. That's it. You know, df this. Now we have to plot the stochastic k and that. So we take the subplot, we comment this out. Yeah, say stdev adjusted stochastic. Here we can like stdev adjusted stochastic k d. This is green, this is red, and that's it. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it, right? And the trade signals would be, so we got the rid of that. So here it's gonna be what we did here, right? See this one. Okay, so I think we got it. Let's see. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Yeah, there's some initialization problem again. Port forwarding. Yeah, I got it. So let's activate the environment. And the trade strategy this strategy path user data strategies config um, config.json and then config, is it just config.json? Yeah. So what is in my config.json? One only out of 5. Yeah, that would work. So I go there, I deploy it, and I see the strategy working. Well, not quite though, because I haven't changed the code. So to change the code here, see, instead of k, you type stdiv adjusted stochastic k. Okay. Now I think we got it. So let's go to the web here. And when we log in, develop a new indicator with Python. Money farming. So we are here. Are there any errors? Yes, there is. Module ta lib.abstract has no attribute cross value. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Sorry. It's PDTA, yo. Sorry. Yeah, so I think we got it here. There's no error now. Thank you, ChatGPT, for helping us. So this like enhanced analysis of overbought inversal condition, better trend identification. See all these indicators. See, I'm gonna like write some like article into it, like, you know. So I'm just gonna write article about it. This with ChatGPT. Okay. So we got it running, right? Yeah. We got it running. Now let's see it. See, short here, long here, short here, long there. It's like, whoa, man. Yeah, I'm gonna test this strategy for sure. See, it's cool, right? Yeah, I think with this one. Sorry, guys. Yeah, we can do a lot of stuff with it for sure. Okay. Let's test it. Just create backtesting strategy. This is the strategy path, user data strategies, config.json, primary 2024-0101, pairs BTC USDT. So this is what I want to run the let's see what's my stop loss, all this logic is. So I go there and check Okay, yeah, that works. Let's see how it performs. 106 days. Well, it's not making money, that's for sure. Um, Short trailing stop at EMA 20, long trailing stop at EMA 20. See, this is why I use like ATR stop. Okay. Um, I think I taught you guys, right? ATR stops. Can you tell me if you have watched my videos? Have you seen the ATR stops? Otherwise, I'm gonna make one video on that one too. ATR is like your average true range. Okay. So from the true range, we calculate the average of it around like 40. So true range is basically as you have these candles. So like high of this, low of this, or just like close from this, close. So like we get like two candles back, and then we get like either close of this, low of this, that's the range. Or so there's like different kinds of sources that you can use for that calculation. But at the end of the day, after you getting the true range of for certain period, you get you can do the average of that, and that's your ATR. That's you basically like the best indicator for volatility, if I can say that. Okay. um so we'll be doing the stop loss and all this calculation with that one, but let's see if we can optimize this strategy. So what we can do here is let's see if we are like taking the profit for 1:4, if it's working or not. hmm. It ain't working either, so I think we have to add some confluence now. So what we can do here, what confluence can we make? That let's go back here and run this code, and then we analyze that one too. Can I didn't make function of that. Okay, I'm gonna make function of that though. All right, so here's the chart. Now let's get our new function here. df get stdiv adjusted. That's the function. Yeah, from utils we haven't. df get stdiv adjusted stochastic. We get the stochastic. Instead of this we will plot. Okay, you know what, let's keep that one too, and let's plot our stochastic as well. So stdiv adjusted stochastic k, the panel 2, color green, red, width 2, this is just like stochastic. Okay. So now let's see where that is happening. This one. So I do that. Instead of TA, it's PDTA. Instead of KD, it's okay. Hang on. I'm gonna get it from here. Okay. So I got that. So this is the trade that it's entering on there. So what we can do now is for simple confluence, we can say that you know, so around here, like, so when the market is below, when the closing price is below this, you know, or with this one as well, like below -1 or something. Here see RSI adjusted as above -1, above 1, you know, and so we can do that, you know. Let's see, let's do that first. So we have PRSI, right? Let's add the confluence and say that PRSI is less than -1 here, and here we say that PRSI is greater than 1. Let's see how much signal we got. $204. Let's see how it changes. So I'm gonna open it over there. Yeah, and then I'm gonna run it again to show you the difference. Well, there's not much of a difference, is it? Okay. What if I do -2 into 71? See. Okay. So yeah, we can use this. Let's see. But first I'm gonna convert it into function. This code that we wrote yesterday. To get what it's called, parametric RSI. Something. Non-scaled RSI, right? Yeah, this one. Get non-scaled RSI, right? The good one. So we have this function inside this function. We get this. Sorry. Just copy and paste. Okay. So this, we get this. source, so we are taking source as input, or just like use close. Yeah, RSI length is 14, cap is 20. Okay, so let's move that function down here. So cap is cap. Get this, and then this was very genius of you know, ChatGPT. It actually came up with you that this condition is best to use in numpy to select things. Okay, I mean, if you are ask a data scientist, they will say, yeah, it's really good, but like, you know, not a lot of people know that stuff. Yep, that's it. So that's our function, and then we return the df. Okay, so that's our function. Let's put it there, you know. And let's go to the code and also get this. Okay, so here we're gonna do it that I'm gonna do prsi is greater than 2, and here prsi is less than -2. So let's see now if the performance improves or not. Alright guys, if you guys have any question, let me know. We don't have any trade. What about one? Yeah, it's still the same. Only short trade, no long. Why? Because it's true. Hang on. What am I doing? Hmm. Oh, it is getting better a bit. I'm gonna do 2 here, 2 here. So we did one confluence, right? So this is how you combine 2 strategy into one. Okay, not much of an improvement though. Yep. So here, next video we're gonna learn about using our ATR as like our ATR as our profit target, ATR as our take profit and stop loss, and like R multiples as well. Okay, so we're gonna see it later on. So for now, I hope you guys like the video, and so this is the let's see how it looks like on the trade though. Let's see. I mean, it looks good to me. See, short there, boom. This was false signal, but like short here, boom. Long here, boom. Short here, boom. Short here, boom. It's the only problem is I think stop loss with I think with our ATR, no, it's like our stop loss would be, so for this one, check this out, okay. So for this one, stop loss would be around here, our ATR stop loss. We entered the trade as well. And then our targets would be around like first target, second target, third target. So that this will be like first one multiple of ATR, two multiple of ATR, and then like third multiple of ATR. So you can decide which target to take, you know. So this is gonna be like 1:, this one your 1:1 ATR, 1:2, and this 1:3. Okay, now with this same system you can apply to every coin pair there. Okay, so let's see what's the trade setups in different coin pairs. We had look at the Bitcoin. This is Ethereum. Man, Ethereum is cool too. See, long, short, there's losing trade, winning trade, winning trade, winning trade, winning trade. And again, I think we are going on the winning territory there. Link, what's going on with the link? So here again, see, this is where it's like market went so down there. So, it's also good here too. No indicator is like 100% correct, like see how it picks up tops and bottoms. Man, that's amazing. I'm just surprised how it's like it's picking the tops and bottoms. It's amazing. So in Solana also we should have entered short, right? Bitcoin we entered short there. Let's see how this trade plays out. I'm gonna stop the video here, and I hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe if you haven't so, and share the video, share it on Twitter or something, and let me know what you guys think in the comment below. If you have any suggestions, do let me know. We will make strategy, test it. It can be your strategy, it can be from YouTube as well, anything. Okay, anything. We will code it in Python and test it in Freak Trade. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you guys everything. And also I'm starting new YouTube series in it's called Basics of Crypto Trading. Basics of Crypto Trading for beginners. Okay, for beginners, so yeah, I'm planning all the stuff for curriculum. Is going to be really good course. I mean, yeah, it's probably going to be one of the best explanation of how the market evolves and how it, so that intuition others I'm going to be teaching you, it will help you in your trading journey a lot. And it's from very beginning perspective. I'll be teaching you guys TradingView, how to use tools, how to punch trades and everything. So, and then I'll also teach you about how to write TradingView, like trade Pine script as well, and we tested on Freak Trade, which we do already. So yeah, enough of that. I hope you guys like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So happy trading.